What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I've been talking about doing some short how-to videos, some of the tips and tricks that I've learned working on Fox bodies over the last 20 years. So this video that I'm about to show you is something from an old video that I had shot last year. An easy way how I put my manual transmission in minutes. And let's get into it. All right, so this is what I was talking about. So what I'm actually gonna do, you okay?
Yeah.
While these guys sweat their tails off. So I'm actually gonna collapse this. It's a little trick that you do not draw this up. You know what I mean? So let me see if I can do this while we're filming. Shouldn't be a problem. I've done this a couple times. Go ahead, boys. Boom. See that? Went right into position. Nothing's bound. Everything looks good. I think the throwout is good. So there we have it. Put these bolts in, zip them in, we'll be done. All right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed the short video. Real simple, real easy. Comment below if you knew about that trick, if you've used it before. I use it in all my transmissions, whether it's T56, TKX, Tremec, TKO, T5. It's a simple, easy trick that a lot of people don't know even exists. Engage the clutch, disc smooth, lines the input up, boom, done, easy, no problem. Outside of that, guys, if you guys enjoy the how-to videos, make sure you comment below. There's just gonna be short little how-tos to work on Fox bodies, and I'm gonna randomly put them up on my channel in their own little playlist. So, guys, if you enjoy the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe on the way out. I'll see you very soon.